Go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. It's my mixed fruit smoothie. So tasty, so delicious. Yes, go ahead and try it. You will love it, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mixed fruit smoothie. Yes, so before I go, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for commenting, and follow me on all social at Anboots. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive right into the video. So here I have mixed fruits, meaning I'm gonna use several fruits, okay? So I have some strawberry in this dish. They were in the freezer, so that's why they are looking like this. And I have some grapes in it too. I have some blueberry that I will be using, and I have banana that I will be using. So it's a mixed fruit smoothie, okay guys? All right, so let's get started by adding the fruits to the blender. And guys, I will be using coconut water to sweeten this one. Okay, no yogurt again. No milk. All right, these banana are overripe, guys, and when they are overripe, you know, they are extra sweet, which I don't like, but I don't want them to spoil. I'm gonna add the coconut water and then blend. Okay, so the blueberry was frozen. Also, the blueberry and the strawberry frozen. Okay, cover, and I'm gonna blend. So it's another healthy smoothie. And there you have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this now, guys. This is good, so good, guys. It's sweet. The banana, because they are overripe, make it sweet. So try as best as possible not to use overripe bananas, okay guys, because it makes the juice, the smoothie, sweet than normal, right? Yep. So go ahead and try this smoothie. Very delicious, very tasty. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Okay, it's my mixed fruit smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Until my next video. Bye.